Hello friends, welcome once again to Sagas Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to this particular problem here on the board. Please, if it is your first time viewing, kindly click on the follow button to enter another my exciting video. You will notify. Yesterday one of my fans sent me this question that Sagas, I've tried. This limit is really suffering me. So let me make a video with it so that you guys can learn from it. Now look at, we are asked to evaluate the limit square root of s plus 4 minus 2 all over what s, where s tends towards 0. Now, if you are the one that sent me this question, please listen very attentively. Now, limit is one of the concept of what the calculus. Calculus consists of what? Differentiation, integration, and limit of a function. And this is like a limit problem. So when about this limit we are saying, limit is that value, is that value or is that number you get closer, but you cannot achieve the actual value. You see, Saga, what are you saying? I mean that limit is that value you get closer, 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 but you cannot achieve that actual what value. That's why they can never say that x is equals to 0 or s is equivalent to what 0. Yeah, they are telling you that x tends, s tends or s approaching what 0. That means it do not have it cannot reach the actual what 0, but it tends to 0. It's approaching what 0. If you have that concept, then you can solve this. So please, because I know that most students will go and rush. Since they know that s tends to 0, they go and put 0, and you have undefined value. So what are you going to do first? First of all, what you are going to do, since our numerator is the square root of s plus 4 minus 2, our denominator is s. So what you are going to do, in solve, you are learned about what conjugate solve. So if this is a solve, right? So what is it? Let me say root x plus 4 minus 2. What is the conjugate of this solve? The conjugate of this solve is root what? X plus what? Plus 4 plus what? 2. This is the conjugate. So what you are going to do, if this is the conjugate, you are going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator. So we are going to multiply here by what? What? Root x plus 4 plus what? 2 all over what? Root x plus 4 plus what? 2. You can see how simple it is. Very simple and interesting. Now what you are going to do, this is the same thing as what? Into root what? X plus 4 minus 2 into root what? X plus 4 plus what? 2 divided by what? Divided by x into what? Root what? X plus 4 plus what? 2. You can see, and remember that our limit are s tends to what? S tends to what? 0. Now, something here, let's look here. You can observe that this is here. You can observe that it's a difference of 2 square. So what we are going, since we are having root s plus 4 here and root s plus 4, we can square them as what? This is the same thing as root what? X plus 4. We square them because they are common. You can see. Then if you know what, if difference of 2 square, you can understand. So here we have what? Minus into 2. We square them because they are what? Difference of what? 2 square divided by what? What is here is x, then into square root of what? X plus 4 plus our what? 2. You can see, and our what? Our limit s tends to what? S tends to what? 0. Now you can see that square root will cancel out square. You can see from there. So what you are going to do is that you can see that we left with what? You are left with what? You left with what? X. You left with the limit where s tends to what? 0. Now this is what? This is x plus what? Plus 4. Then here we have what? Minus what? Minus 4. You can see, because square root 2 to the power of 2 is 4. You can see from here, divided by what? X into what? Square root of what? X plus 4 plus what? 2. You can see. So you can see that 4 minus 4 will go. You can see. So now that the limit where s tends to what? 0, we left with what? S divided by what? S into square root of what? X plus 4. You can see, plus what? 2. Now let me remove it so you know what. Let me shift this. Now you can see. So now s into s how many times? 1 time. That x will cancel out this other x, so we left with what? Divided by what? Square root of what? X plus 4 plus what? 2. And remember that our s tends to what? Our s tends to what? 0. Now another people will say, Sagas, what do you do here? Else will just cancel out this. Now let me also prove to you. Do you know that the coefficient of x here is 1? You all agree with me. The coefficient of x here is 1. So if this go out, we will left with 1, which is the numerator. You can see how simple it is. Very simple and interesting. And the people say, Sagas, how will you just cancel that other x? Rest now, because the coefficient of x here is 1. So if this go, I will left with 1, which is also the numerator. You can see. So now let's substitute our value of s when s tends towards 0. Now that this is what 1 divided by what? Square root of what? 0. Anyway, I see s, I put what? 0 plus 4 plus what? 2. And this will be what? This will now be what? 1 divided by 0 plus this is what? Is the square root of 4, because 0 plus 4 is 4 plus what? 2. And square root of 4 is what? 1 over what? 2, because square root of 4 is 2 plus 2. And this is equals to what? 1 over what? 4. And this is just the clear solution to this particular problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate to like this video, comment on this video, and also share this video to your friends so that others will learn. I always say that the process of you sharing, you can see someone will find this difficult, but by the process of you sharing, you already transfer knowledge to others. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.